Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Friends, today I am going to teach you NC part handling procedure. So please let me continue this video. Friend, I am making this video on viewer request. Guys, if you need to improve your technical smart knowledge, then you must be join our industrial documentation training course. Once you complete our advanced qualitative documentation training course, later on definitely you can grow in career by getting good job on behalf of smart knowledge. Friends, if you don't have smart knowledge of technical documentation, then you can suffer in your professional career. To growing in your career, you can join our Hub of Knowledge Mac Training Center for making your smart career. Friends, this is the NC part handling procedure in Excel sheet. Here document, this is revision number, this is date. First start from serial number and input activity. Here will be output, this is responsibility, and here checkpoint. Here document and frequency means when. First input activity is identify non-conforming parts generating at different operation. Output is NC part, responsibility operator oblique inspector, checkpoints. Operator will identify the NC parts during operation and collect in red bin with marking on parts. Document QRQC board, document number is MSFQC06, frequency during production. Second input activity mark on NC part and put in red bin. Output will be defect matrix sheet, responsibility operator oblique inspector. If NC part generate continue, the operator will inform the quality production supervisor. In this situation, refer the 4M change procedures, and quality inspector will check the NC part and take quick action to control the problem, and detail will update on quick response quality control board यानी QRQC board. Document here reference document is 4M change procedure MS/4M/PR05. Frequency same during production. Here 4M change procedure additional requirement if you need during NC part handling procedure, otherwise not required. Third input activity is collect the NC part from all red bin having on each machine and put in combined red bin. This is output NC part, responsibility QA inspector. Checkpoint is quality supervisor will collect the NC parts from shop floor and store in common red bin, keeping in red bin meeting area. Document will be red bin analysis report MSFQC02 when frequency is at the end of shift. Verify NC part. During verification of NC part, output will be types of NC parts, rework oblique scrap, and responsibility red bin team. Checkpoint will be remember conduct red bin meeting analysis NC part and separate the scrap rework parts of rework, refer the procedure, and reject part dispose in scrap yard. During verification of NC part, the document reference document will be red bin attendance report MSFQC05 and rework procedure MS/prod PR16. Frequency at the end of shift. Again come back on verify NC part. If all part reworkable, then send the rework part in rework area. Otherwise top defects will be prioritized through Pareto analysis. Otherwise, top defects will be prioritized through Pareto analysis and analyze the defects. Here, output will be top defects, red bin team. Checkpoint will be for analysis of top critical defects. The kappa will be raised. Top 1 most critical defects will be prioritized by using Pareto analysis. The criteria for Pareto analysis is first, number of defective part greater than or equal to 20 in particular part throughout the month, and horizontal deployment to be done for other parts impacted by top 1 defects. Update the all required documents FMEA, WICP, etc. Here reference document Redwind team MSFQC03, Pareto analysis document number MSFQC07, countermeasure report yani CAPA MSFQC01, and frequency will be at the end of every month. Next, seventh step is effectiveness. After implementation of actions, you have to verify effectiveness of these actions that you have taken to prevent reoccurrence of these NC parts. If action is not good, then repeat the process. If action is okay, then sign off the countermeasure report. Output is effectiveness, responsibility QA engineer. Checkpoint will be after implementation of countermeasures, monitor the effectiveness, continue up to 3 months, and record will be maintained in countermeasure verification sheet. Document countermeasure report MSFQC01, countermeasure verification sheet document number MSFQC04, and frequency will be 3 months. After repeat the process, then reoccurrence of problem output, responsibility QA engineer. If problem reoccurred within 3 months, then verify the root cause of problem and take countermeasures. Countermeasure report same MSFQC01. Here prepared by, approved by, issued by. Friends, this is our training course template. These all trainings are teaching with perfect knowledge of theoretical as well as practical on Excel sheet and PowerPoint. Friends, we provide industrial documentation technical training for improving smart skills to get good job opportunities by beat the competition. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen. Thank you.